Project Management Learning, Current Trends. Are you ready to transform your project management skills? Let's explore current trends shaping the landscape of project management. In today's fast-paced world, project management is evolving rapidly. New technologies and methodologies are redefining how we manage projects. 4 key trends lead the way: AI, remote teams, sustainability, and data analytics. First, let's dive into artificial intelligence. AI streamlines project processes, making them more efficient. It automates routine tasks, freeing up project managers to focus on strategic work. This leads to faster decision-making and improved project outcomes. Next, consider remote teams. The global workforce is shifting, with many employees working from home. This presents new challenges and opportunities. Effective communication and collaboration tools are essential. They help teams stay connected and productive, regardless of location. Now, let's talk about sustainability. More projects must consider environmental impact. Sustainable practices enhance brand reputation and can lead to cost savings. Implementing green strategies is becoming a necessity in project management. Finally, data analytics has become vital. Data-driven decisions help managers understand project progress and team performance. Analyzing past projects allows for better forecasting and planning. This leads to improved project success rates. To illustrate, think about a project manager leading a team on a sustainable product launch. They use AI to schedule tasks and monitor progress. Remote team members communicate through online platforms, sharing updates and ideas seamlessly. Data analytics helps them evaluate the success of their strategies and adapt as needed. In summary, project management is changing rapidly. Keeping up with trends in AI, remote teams, sustainability, and data analytics is essential. Embracing these changes will enhance your effectiveness and project success. Now, it's your turn. Explore these trends further and apply them in your own projects. Like and subscribe for more insights on project management trends and strategies.